Hey there, welcome. Sometimes the most powerful secrets are hiding in plain sight. Today, we're diving deep to uncover a true marvel of the ocean floor, something most of us completely misunderstand. It's an ecological powerhouse, and its story, well, it's pretty shocking.
So picture this, you're looking at these beautiful green meadows swaying under the waves. Your first thought, like pretty much everyone else's, is probably, oh, that's just seaweed, right? It seems so obvious.
But what if I told you that you're looking at something way more complex? Something with an incredible backstory and some serious superpowers that are, frankly, vital for our planet.
Okay, let's get into it. It's time to properly introduce you to the unsung hero of the ocean, seagrass.
So here's the big reveal. Seagrass is not seaweed, not even close. See, seaweed is a type of algae, a pretty simple organism. But seagrass, that's a true, complex flowering plant. It has roots, stems, and leaves, just like the plants in your garden. And get this, in a wild evolutionary twist, its ancestors actually grew on land before deciding, you know what, let's go back to the ocean. How cool is that?
And that whole backstory, evolving on land first, is key to its power. Seagrass isn't just a passive plant. Scientists call it an ecological engineer, which is a fancy way of saying it actively builds a better environment all around it.
Seagrass basically has three main superpowers. First, it's a habitat builder. Second, it's an ocean cleaner. And third, it's a coastal protector. You put those all together, and you've basically got the lungs of the sea.
Okay, first up, habitat builder. These dense underwater fields are way more than just grass. They are bustling underwater cities. They're the nurseries for countless species of fish, tiny crabs, seahorses, even huge, gentle giants like manatees and sea turtles rely on them for food and shelter. Next up, ocean cleaner. Seagrass is like a giant natural water filter. Its leaves and complex root systems trap dirt, sediment, and even pollutants, literally cleaning the water around them. This makes the water clear and so much healthier for everything living in it.
And finally, coastal protector. Those dense root systems create a strong net that holds the seabed in place, which is crucial for preventing erosion. When big storms roll in, these meadows absorb a ton of the wave energy, acting like a natural shield that protects our coastlines.
But wait, there's one more superpower. And honestly, this one might be the most important of all. Seagrass has been silently fighting climate change for us right under the surface.
Get ready for this number because it's a jaw-dropper. 35 times. Seagrass meadows can capture and store carbon up to 35 times faster than tropical rainforests. Let that sink in. This makes them one of the most effective tools we have in the fight against climate change. This chart just shows how ridiculously efficient it is. Look, seagrass covers this tiny fraction of the ocean floor. Less than 0.2%, but it's responsible for a whopping 10% of all the carbon the ocean buries each year. It's the definition of punching way above your weight. So, we've established seagrass is this incredible, essential hero, right? Well, here's the tough part of the story. This amazing ecosystem is disappearing, and it's disappearing fast.
This statistic is just staggering. We are losing an area of seagrass the size of a football field every half hour. That's a rate of destruction right up there with rainforests, but you hear so much less about it.
And the cause? Well, it's us. Things like coastal development, pollution from our cities and farms, dredging that rips up the seafloor, and harmful fishing methods are just wiping out these vital underwater forests. But listen, it's not all doom and gloom. This story does not have to end here. It's not too late, and we can all play a part in protecting this misunderstood marvel. So what can you actually do? It starts with simple stuff. Choosing sustainable seafood helps reduce the pressure from destructive fishing. Cutting back on plastics helps keep our oceans clean. You can support groups working to restore these meadows. And honestly, one of the most powerful things you can do is just spread the word. Tell people about this hidden hero. And speaking of spreading the word, there's a really cool and surprising way the story of seagrass is traveling from the ocean floor right into our living rooms. It turns out, when it's harvested ethically and sustainably, seagrass is this fantastic, durable, and beautiful material. It's being woven into gorgeous home decor, think baskets, rugs, lampshades, even furniture. It lets us appreciate its natural beauty while supporting practices that help, not hurt, the ocean.
And that's our deep dive into the incredible world of seagrass.
So now, if this has sparked an idea for you, if you're someone who wants to create, develop, or manufacture amazing home decor and furnishing products with sustainable materials like this, you should absolutely reach out to Anita at Mondoro. And for everyone who just wants to keep learning, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and podcast. And for even more info, go check out our blog. It is packed with fantastic information. Thanks so much for joining us.